Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send photo or video to someone in Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Make sure you're logging to your Tango account. Now tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Open the chat of the person that you would like to send photo or video. To send photo or video to someone in Tango, tap on the image-like icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now select the photo or video that you would like to send. You can choose multiple pictures or videos too. Once you are done, tap on the send button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can send photo or video to someone in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.